Mom,
I don't want a heart attack.
Mom, I accidentally bought 2 of them. Use them to distract the guards. I accidentally bought 2 fruits. I wasted 150 coins. Freaking stop following me.
Are they vampires?
No, they're regular women. I want them to stop following me.
Why are they gray?
Oh, they do that when you're blended in with someone. You're blended in too.
They walk
Okay,
and
now listen.
they're vampire-ish.
Lewis, like, let me kill him.
Never trust your mom?
Kill him, kill him, kill him. They're freaking annoying. Die. Die.
Why do you want to kill your women?
Because they're annoying.
But they're your women.
Maybe I can outrun them. Kitty belly, kitty belly.
Well, he's already got a wife. You can never outrun a woman.
But he already has a wife. Ah, no, that's his mother.
Seriously chasing
That's his
them.
mother. Ah, they're chasing me. I poking the kitty's belly.
And they won't let me.
I lost him. That's so funny.
That cat's got a lot of hair. Of course. Look at him, he's rubbing against his
I'm still waiting. People are greedy in this game, though. Because there are people in really nice clothes and everything, and I had to throw money to distract people, so I want to get caught.
Okay.
Because I'm notorious, apparently. And the rich people are going and running for the money. And
Hey, why don't you guys get this off the...
Get out of the sea! Get out of the sea! Grab that slap. Okay. Out of the sea! Out of the sea! Oh, you took right back into it! Get out of the sea now! Out of the sea!
You killed the burrito!
Too bad! You need to get out of that sea! Get out of the sea! You need to baby drop the nose! Get out of the sea! No! Wait! It's short and windy when you're saying no. Get out. Always let it live. Get out.
There.
Get out.
I did!
Yeah, stay out of it and let me in it.
Yeah, let me swallow! There. They wouldn't let my food go down, so it's starting to come out. You look at that.
Just keep running, he won't get you.
Oh, I don't think that's funny. Keep it off by something else.
Watch, I knocked him.
I shot you in the face.
Watch. See?
Yeah, I know, but he shot you before, you nice. So I think the game fits it.
Yeah, while I was outside.
According to this top secret dossier, they're shipping us out tomorrow. We've got a plan to get the humans back to the zoo.
Dude, he's over here, I saw him.
Operation Catch and Release. We set traps for the humans onto the ship. Once the traps are filled with people, we bring them back and release them here inside the zoo. Presto.
Ow, where were you? Since we have the right to shoot at them.
Oh, I forgot about that.
We show the humans that zoo animals are just as dumb as, or maybe even dumber than the animals on TV. Yeah, we certainly have dumber animals here. Like that one, over there. Idioto. Yes, I'm talking about you.
Oh, we have the right to shoot him now.
You guys already did.
Get that.
You're coming with me. I had to take someone out. I was already
What?
dead. See, I had to take someone out. And then I started running.
Oh, look, long shot.
You're shooting me.
Hey, this isn't that
I'm
fun.
scared. Did you take too many drugs?
I'm
Did you?
thirsty.
Alright, I'll leave the needles while we're waiting.
Stop.
Enduring science. Sure, but that type of out-of-the-box
Are
thinking...
you trying to feed keeping the dog?
Skipper, would you please?
Ow.
Thanks. Now,
Yes, I'm
and most
I missed.
turns out they don't make giant space labs.
Freedom zone use.
Skipper,
When was this?
Are you guys
yesterday?
playing
this
anymore?
will build this.
Are you guys playing anymore?
A satellite override remote
Was this
control
yesterday?